Welcome back. Today we are going to look at differentiation, and we are going to start with this equation: differentiate y equals 2x squared by first principle. So we start by saying that this equation, which is y equals 2x squared, we call this equation 1. Then we say let y changes by small change in y, and x changes by small change in x. So that means we are going to add this small change in y to y. So we have y plus small change in y equals, we have 2, then x will also change by small change in x. Since this x is carrying square, I'll put square here. So this is the same thing as saying that y plus small change in y equals 2 bracket x plus small change in x, and then another bracket of x plus small change in x, in order to expand the square. So by expansion, I'll bring down this side of the equation. Then I will now expand these two brackets. X times x will give me x squared. Then x times small change in x will give me small change in x. Then small change in x times x will give me another small change in x. And then small change in x times small change in x will give me small change in x squared. Then I will then collect like terms. Y plus small change in y is 2 brackets x squared plus, these two are like terms, so I will add x plus small change in x plus this will give me 2x small change in x plus small change in x squared. Then I will open the bracket to have y plus small change in y is 2x squared plus 2 times 2 is 4x small change in x plus 2 times this will give us 2 small change in x squared. So I can call this equation 2. Then I will now subtract. I'll say equation 2 minus equation 1. So equation 2 is y plus small change in y equals 2x squared plus 4x small change in x plus 2 small change in x squared minus equation 1, which is 2x squared. So when I subtract y minus y to give me 0, so I will have small change in y remaining. Then this will subtract this to be 0. I will now have this 4x small change in x and 2 small change in x squared. Then I'll divide both sides. I'll divide by small change in x, so I will have change in y over change in x equals 4x small change in x divided by small change in x plus 2 over this. So this will cancel this, so I will have over small change in x equals 4x plus small change in x, 2 small change in x. Then I'll take limit as small change in x tends to 0. So I will have, as this tends to 0, I'll now have that 4x plus 2, 0. So dy dx is 4x.